Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add text to your videos and make it last longer in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. Firstly, let me insert a video, and I'll be using this tutorial that I have done a long time ago, and let me just add some text by going here and dragging and dropping on the display here. Now, as you can see, I have text here, and let me just edit it so that you can see it on the white background. I'll give it a dark red color so that you can see it across all backgrounds, and as you can see, it is very apparent here. But if I play the video, you will see that after a certain amount of time, the text will just disappear, just like so. Now, the reason for that is because, as you can see in the editing track and the timeline of the video is much longer than the timeline of the text. To make it last longer, all you have to do is click and select the text, grab one of the borders until this icon appears, this two-way arrow, click and just drag it out until you have your desired length. It might buffer for a bit, but now once I move this pointer here, as I move it through the video, if I go to here, as you can see, it still has text. If I go here, as you can see, the text is gone. To prevent the text ever disappearing, you just drag it to the complete length of the video, and now once the video ends, the text will disappear as well. However, if I drag it even longer than the video and I go over the video and I stop at the end, as you can see, you'll only have a black background with a red text right here, and your video will be longer than your original video is. So if you want to make sure that doesn't happen, you can just drag it and drop it, and the main thing that you need to keep out for is once that purple bar appears, that means they are ordered neatly and completely synchronized one with another, and that is pretty much all you need to do to make your text last longer and for the full duration of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.